next stock that we're breaking down for this morning is Sundial, or ticker symbol SNDL. I have my lines and graphs already set. We're starting from a higher time frame, that being the daily interval. And other than that, let's go ahead and dive in. So we really haven't moved very much since the market opening. We're up almost nearly 1% for the morning. Let's look at our volume. So we're at 41 million. So we're definitely above the 150,000 threshold that we like to see. Let's go ahead and go over our support and resistance lines like we always do, and then we'll get into more in depth on where we're at. So this top line at the $1.70-71 area is our highest level of resistance tested. You can see that we came up and tested this area here, ultimately created a breakout. So what used to work as resistance will work as support on the opposite side. So you can see we came up, came down, bounced from this same level, came back underneath, worked as resistance, ultimately failed, came back again, failed, came back again, and failed. So ultimately 3 or 4 times we tested this area and have failed, which ultimately pushed us down to our lowest level of support at the 77-cent area. We look left, we were testing this as resistance back here, and we ultimately created a breakout and started bouncing from this area. So you can see we bounced from over here, resistance down here, and then ultimately now we are just kind of consolidating right on top of our support line and we've been doing that for at least a month and a half now that we've just been consolidating. But you can see we have this double bottom retest. So you can see we came down here, bounced up, we ultimately failed, pulled back down, bounced off this level again, and now we are above the trend line, which is a good sign. The RSI looked like we were a little bit oversold, now starting to correct. So getting in at this point in time could be a great buying opportunity. So we set our stop loss, or a mental stop loss, at least under the 76-cent area. If things do go sour, we'll be able to get tagged out, wait for a better entry, while at the same time protecting our portfolio. So, and then on top of that, our first target is going to be, if you decide to get in now, your first target should be back up at this previous pivot over here. And that would be at the $1.53 area, and then your second target obviously being back at our highest previous point, back at the $1.73 area. Okay, so I like to make these videos really fast and efficiently, and if you guys enjoyed these videos, please hit that like and subscribe button. 98% of you guys that watch my videos every single day are not subscribed. Please subscribe so you guys stay updated on the stocks that I break down, and you guys get notified to put you at advantage on the market. Alright, so other than that, you guys, like I said, don't really see an issue with getting in. Have a mental stop loss at least under the 76-cent area, and then set your targets, you guys. Other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.